If you've ever had your check engine light come on and didn't want to rush straight to the mechanic, this little device might be your new best friend. The ANCEL AD530 is an upgraded OBD2 scanner that not only reads and clears engine codes, but also tests your car battery's health. So it's basically two tools in one. I've been using it for a few weeks, and what stood out right away is how simple and fast it is. You just plug it into your car's OBD port, and it immediately powers up. The 2.8-inch color screen is bright and easy to read, even in daylight, and the new STM32 chip makes scanning about twice as fast as older models like the AD310. It gives you live data like RPM, sensor voltages, and engine temperature in real time. Super useful if you want to monitor how your car's running or confirm that a repair actually worked. And I really like the new I button. Instead of throwing random error codes at you, it actually explains what the code means and even suggests possible fixes. That's a lifesaver if you're not a pro mechanic. The battery test feature is another big plus. You can check your car's voltage and see if your battery is starting to weaken. Really handy in cold weather when batteries tend to struggle. Now, it's not perfect. It doesn't work with motorcycles, and the menu system could be a bit more modern. But honestly, for around $60, with free lifetime updates and support for over 50 car brands, it's hard to beat. Overall, I'd give the ANCEL AD530 a 9 out of 10. It's powerful, easy to use, and a great upgrade from the AD310. If you're interested, you'll find the Amazon link in the description.